Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have a cotton and twine box to open for you, and that of course is a cross stitch box that I've been sharing with you guys. And here's the box that it comes in. You could, I suppose you could like color it. It looks like the post office got it popped, maybe, no. I don't know what the heck happened. It don't matter. Everything's always perfectly fine in there. It does come international because it is from the UK, but it's actually quite affordable, especially considering that it comes from the UK. But the back is perfectly ready for you to color in if you would like to do that. So I always love seeing this box whenever it's on the porch because I'm always so excited to get it. Okay, I'm going to cut the tape on the sides and let's get it open. Okay, so when you open it up, they always have this lovely paper inside. It's really pretty, and it's like this special paper, and it like sticks to itself, which is interesting. So that's how it stays sealed. Okay. Unless they activate it somehow, it's possible. I've not seen this kind of paper, but you know, they probably have all the best stuff over in the UK. Okay, so the Cotton and Twine July 2022 design is that little crab guy, or it looks like you could do the other pattern that they've given us. It looks like we're going to get two patterns this month. So either this little crab guy, which you can make both of them. I don't see why not. And the other side is, oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. And there it is. Super cute. Okay, let's see. So you always get the pattern in black and white and also in color, depending on how you prefer to do it. And so here's the black and white side, there's the color side, and we do have, it's nice and big. You can't say that you can't see it, that's for sure. And then there's the crab, also in the black and white. Okay. Okay, I will read this after I show you all the stuff, because it's going to start talking about all the stuff, and I want to see what's in here and be surprised one at a time. Okay, so we always get a little tea. There's an Earl Grey tea. And, okay, they always give us a snack. This is from the Popcorn Shed, and it's called salted, and it's salted caramel. It's not called salted caramel. It is. Oh! It says salted caramel popcorn with milk chocolate. That sounds even better. Okay, hold on. We're going to try this. I just made the video for the sew along. Oh. And I was eating the fizzy peaches. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at this. Oh, isn't that yummy looking? I am so sorry that you can't have some. I don't see milk chocolate, but you don't need it. Oh my goodness. I love caramel popcorn. All right, I'll stop. That is so yummy. Okay. Here comes all the stuff that we need for the project in our little East of India thank you bag. And, okay. Yeah, I think that they've probably only given us enough Ada for one of the patterns, so you have either one or the other, but I mean, you know, still super generous, because wait till you see what's coming. So there you go. We get our Ada, and it comes with a needle, and here's our floss. Looks really cute. Love those colors. Okay. And then we have, oh my goodness, what? Okay, seriously? This is a decoration, not a toy. And it says Shoeless Joe. So, okay, I see a little rock, but I think this little guy's supposed to be on top. And we can fix that. Oh. I think he might have been in here. But he fell out. And I think he might have lost a leg. So he got one leg right now. We'll fix him though. We're going to put him back on there. I think he's supposed to like go on here somehow. With Gemini, we can fix this. I'm not worried. He's going to be super cute. But I will search this box and see if I can find his other leg. I don't know. Now I don't want to like mess anything around too much. Here is the bag. And I was going to say, I think it's a jute bag. It is. It's a jute bag. And it's made by Westford Mill. This bag is made from jute, one of the strongest natural fibers and one of the most sustainable. A rain-fed crop, jute requires little or no fertilizer or pesticides, and it can be harvested within just 4 to 6 months. Strong, long-lasting, and sustainable, jute is the perfect eco-friendly fabric for your bag for life. Okay. This is a nice size bag. See? Nice size. And, you know, once you make your project, you can just attach it to, you know, one side or the other. And you can just get some, you know, another piece of Aida. And you can put one on either side. And then you'd have both sides, which would be super cute. So I totally love this. That's really cute. Okay. Is there a foot in here somewhere? Hello. I'm looking for a foot. Okay, I'm probably going to have to look for the foot. And you know what? The way the box is, it's quite possible his little foot could have fallen out. So he might just be like a 1 foot wonder, which is okay. You know, we all have our challenges. Are y'all enjoying this? Okay, I don't think his foot is in here. Hello. All right, so I think I'm going to have a footless seagull, but that's okay. We will fix him at least so he gets to sit on his little rock. And this is so super cute, guys. If you are interested in getting this box, it's really not that expensive to get from the UK, and they always give you everything. Like if it weren't the jute bag, they would have a frame to put your project in, and so it's really worth it. Oh, let me see what they said in their on their paper, because they write it for a reason. I might as well read it. Welcome and thank you for subscribing to Cotton and Twine Cross Stitch Box. We have a real treat for you this month. Not one, but 2 designs to choose from. Firstly, we have been lucky enough to collaborate again with the amazing Emily Peacock. She has designed an utterly fabulous crab stitched in her signature bold, vibrant color palette. We have attached the design to a super handy jute shopper bag, just perfect for summer days out and about. The second project has been designed in-house by the Historical Sampler Company. We know how much you all love a beach hut, and this seaside-inspired design with its lovely saying hits the spot perfectly. The box contains both of the charts, so the choice is yours. We would love you to share your thoughts and progress reports on your projects with us and other club subscribers, so follow us on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Okay, and then inside it says you get a black and white pattern and colored patterns, Zweigart 16 count Aida, DMC pre-sorted threads, a gold-plated needle, and it's all stored in a craft paper bag. You get a jute shopper bag to attach your stitching to, a cute seaside-inspired ornament from Shoeless Joe, salted caramel flavored popcorn from Popcorn Shed, and a Clipper tea bag. Okay, so here's our whole project, and I'm really excited. All the information, if you would like to go and find out more about this, is down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.